making a rustic fence.
Oh, it's quite nice sometimes if you make the spoon and you have that right down the middle. It's a piece, it's a shrub called Berberis. I don't know too much about it. It doesn't get very big, and this is actually really quite a large piece that someone's given us. But it produces this wonderful bright yellow timber. It can make almost bright yellow little scoops. Millie's going to make another one of these.
I've made that one last time because the wood looks so amazing, and I just want it for a small pot of salt and pepper that I use in my cooking.
With the fro?
Yeah, just
okay.
What it might do, it might start to split down there, then come off sideways. Then you could come down from the other side as well, just to get that parallel. So you're parallel.
I don't have any other coming. Like there's been some.
A spoon or a spatula, I think.
So I'm trying to cut a piece so that I've got a handle, because obviously when you start carving this small, you need a handle to be able to hold on to it, otherwise your fingers are in the way.
Started at the last month's spoon carving club, and the sap was very narrow. So if you wanted to play with it like this, you have to do quite small things. Yeah.
I think I'll make a giant spoon here.
Good spots.
For you.
Spatula. Changed my mind. Spoon.
That was there. So that was the triangle.
So this is the cherry that I'm doing. Although it comes in a bit there, so I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.